Hi guys, this is Glowworm Gang here. So we have a little HVAC related video for Express Pro 2. And Express Pro 2, if you're watching this video, hi there, I'm Glowworm Gang. So this is the filming of the Payne air conditioner startup and shutdown. So over here is the thermostat. So the fan is on auto right now.
Oh, I actually didn't want any.
So here's the mode. It's on cooling season for cool mode, off, and heat. We don't use heat at all. Only for winter seasons. Focus, come on. So we're inside. Sorry, it's hard to see. The vent is right here. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. Right there, there's towels. The vents are right there. So if we go into the guest bedroom, this closet is right here. Now, if you go outside, the Payne air conditioner is right here. I don't know exactly what the tonnage is. I may have to go outside and check it out. We're going to see it turn it on in a minute. I'm going to go to the thermostat and put it down to 75 and watch it kick itself back on. And over here, that's the indoor unit. So I'm going to show you real quick. This is called the Payne air conditioner. So I'm going to put the camera in here. So we're going to start it up. And we'll do shutdown. Whoa. So this is what it sounds like when it turns on. Now let's go take a look outside. There's the AC that's on. So let me explain this to us real quick. So for the indoor unit, it's running good. It's already on cool mode right now. It's running on cool mode. So let me explain so I can give it more time to run. So for the outdoor unit, I'm about to do that now. And not for the outside, I have to be quiet because there's people watching TV or something. And now for the outdoor unit. This is the indoor unit right now. So I'm about to do the outdoor unit right now. The Payne outdoor unit. So this will be the time I'll be staying here until I have to go home for dinner. So I'll be outside. All right, time to shut down. So that's the indoor unit right now. Now we're going to do the outside unit. So I'll be right back. I'm going to put the phone outside and you'll watch the fan start up. I'm not going to sit here and record it because some people might come in there, so yeah. Excuse me, Mama.
Yep.
May I go outside for the fan?
Sure, ask Grammy. Grammy's here.
Excuse me, Grammy.
No, for the rest of the year.
Grammy,
The rest of the year? What, baby?
is it okay if I can go outside and film the outside unit?
Absolutely.
Yeah, go ahead, push on.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Do the inside unit first?
Yes. Yep. Sorry about that. So we'll keep going. So for the outside unit, I'm about to do that now. So we're going to do the outdoor unit now. I'll put the camera outside and I'll watch it start up and then shut down.
Did you find the snack you wanted?
Nope.
No, she's okay. I remember she had the, she's like, man.
So I'm going to run inside for a moment and you'll see the fan start up. Whoa. Sorry about that. It was just a spider web. I'm sorry. I got scared by a lizard. So this is the outdoor unit. Payne. See how many tons it is? It's either like 5 ton or something. Like, I don't know. I'm going to start it up and I'll do shutdown. So this is the unit starting up. I don't know if you can see it through the blades. The compressor is down there. So this is what the Payne air conditioner looks like starting up. Let's see how it feels for a second. It's nice, cold, sweaty. Let's see how many tons it is. Let's see. Ton. Let's see. It is tonnage. Well, I think it's 5 ton. So let me explain to you right now. The next video I'm going to be doing, probably tomorrow, I'm going to do the review of the V10 3-in-1 sample cutter water. And I'll probably do it while my sister has, so I can get myself more time. Anyways, for now, That's me talking. Damn. Alright. It's time to shut down. So I'm basically going to do it right now. So that's the video for this HVAC video, the only HVAC video I'm doing. So for Xbox Pro 2, be sure to view that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for 700 subscribers. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this HVAC video. Glowworm Gang, out. And Xpress Pro 2 and other HVAC enthusiasts, be sure to view this video.